It's officially fall and it's time to change our color palettes, and that includes makeup as well. I've got a lot of new fun fall colors, new products that I think you guys are going to love. All right, I like to start with my foundation. It's just what I start with. A lot of people start with eyes. It's easier to clean up, but for me, I just feel more comfortable starting with foundation. So we're gonna use the Light Wonder in number 7. It's a medium color. I'm going to throw in a new product. It's from Christian Dior, and it's called Dior Backstage. It's Face and Body Glow, and it's 001 Universal. This is the newest of the newest. So you're gonna use this 2 times in this makeup routine. I'm just gonna add one dot, and I'm gonna mix it all together. And it gives it that beautiful glowy. It gives coverage, but it still glows. And I also like to sweep across my eyelids. My eyelids are a little bit red today, so just to give a nice base. I love that. Give that nice little bit of a glow. So good. Okay, next we're gonna do a Jouer concealer. This is also a new product. It's high coverage liquid concealer. I have a little bit of allergies now. We're going into the winter season, a little bit heavier, richer products. This is great, and it's called an essential for a reason. I love it. And what I love about this, it's really creamy. It goes on, it gives a little bit extra coverage, which I like, but it also feels lightweight at the same time. Because this little tiny beauty blender really kind of gets straight up to the water line. And I just, whatever's left over on my hand, I just hit around my nose and a little bit around my chin. A little bit there. Next, we're going to do a Too Faced palette. The actual palette is a limited edition eyeshadow palette. It's called Hot Buttered Rum for fall, but look how gorgeous these colors are. And we are going to use Warm and Fuzzy. We're gonna go all the way across the lid and really get into the crease. And I'm keeping my eyes pretty light because I'm going for that bold, dark lip. Let's focus a little bit on the brows. I'm not gonna use a liner because I wanna keep it really fresh. For me, sometimes the liner can make me look a little bit heavy. I love this, boy brow from Glossier, the bomb. I am so proud of myself. Everyone is proud of me because I let my brows grow out this summer, and I'm really proud of them. So here's what I do as a little trick. I just kind of keep extending it just a little bit. Kind of takes practice. I did it like 5 times before I kind of learned how. But this boy brow is so good. So I kind of take it right here and then I kind of just sweep down just a little bit. And then I take Brow Style from Benefit, and I love this because it's kind of already slanted, so it's really easy, kind of foolproof. I just kind of go up with it, and then I just really get in there. But again, look how good that is. So the next for our cheek, we're gonna do a new product from RMS Beauty. It's called Elusive, and it's Lip to Cheek. Look at how gorgeous this color of it. It's like a berry. So this is also a good lip cheek that you could do, but today we're just gonna be using it on the cheek, and it's called Elusive. And I like to bring it in from my nose and sweep it down. And it just gives you like a nice little pop of color. This is also a great line. It's a natural line that I'm in love with. So next we're gonna focus on mascara and our lashes. This is called Lily Lashes, a little bling bling. Okay, so this is a new product. It's called Lash Blowout. And it's from It. I have become obsessed with their original one, Superhero, but now they have a new one, and it is called Lash Blowout. And it's so good. I also love their foundation. Foundation and mascara, you got me, girl. I'm gonna wipe my mascara wand. Okay, so then I'm gonna do my bottom because I just want a little bit of a hint. So again, we're gonna go back to the Dior, the new one, the Backstage. And I'm just gonna put a little drop on my hands. I'm just gonna hit a little bit of my brow bone, a little bit in here. Gosh, I love that. It's so good, face and body. I'm gonna do a little power. This is Veil by Hourglass. And I'm gonna focus on my T-zone because I'm gonna leave this nice and glowy and dewy. And I'm gonna do one more and go up under my eye. So for the next one, it's called Uma. A badass does not talk about being a badass. That is the name of this. And this one is called Winnie, and it's such a good color for fall. This is an awesome color. I love this look for so many reasons. It's elegant, it's chic, it screams fall. Also, tag me and I can re-tag you guys if you guys have this bold lip and you wanna show me. I love to see you guys. I think you guys are gonna be obsessed with this.